Hey guys, Malibu Darby here. Welcome to my channel. If this is not your first time watching, welcome back. I'm gonna be honest, I am feeling myself a little bit today. I'm going to be doing a review for a company I have reviewed before. It was actually my very first video, and it was hair that I purchased over a year ago. So I wanted to revisit the company. I see that they did some changes as far as their look and their website and kind of the things they offered. The company that I'm talking about is Pure Glam Virgin Hair, and I bought some new hair. I tried out a new service they have called the Glam Box. So basically what it looks like the Glam Box is the idea of like a bundle deal. So you get your closure, your bundles. In this case, I got a Frontal, and it comes in this super cute little box. So what I got was, I do all the specs, and of course I have all the specs in the box below. I got 3 bundles, a 16, 18, a 20, and then I believe I got an 18-inch 13 by 4 frontal. I was super pleasantly surprised because when I opened up this little box, I also got in the Glam Box a detangling comb, which came in a lot of handy when I dyed this hair. So this hair has already been dyed black, and I kind of bleached the knots and did some tinting and some other little tricks and things like that on the hair. And then also I got these Eylure Luxe Silk Lashes, which I'm super excited about. Since I've been wearing dodo lashes, I honestly have not had a chance to get to the store and buy lashes, but these are my style. I really like fluttery, pixie, kind of fluffy lashes. So I am excited to try these. I am going on a little girls trip next weekend, so I'm definitely gonna need a good stock of lashes. So I just thought it was really cute to get like some extra little goodies with the hair. As you can see, the hair is kind of like a dropped wave so far, but I have washed it. I have dyed it black. This is a Frontal. I probably am gonna pluck it a little bit more, but when I got it, it was 13 by 4, so it's way longer than anyone would need it to be. My parting space is pretty deep, and I think it looks really good. I'm still an amateur and a novice when it comes to frontals, but this one was pretty easy for me to kind of figure out. So Pure Glam also offers a service where they can make your wig for you. I'm not sure as far as customizing. I feel like that's something you kind of need to do in person, but they can construct units, and I have had a unit made by them before. I liked the hair before, but I feel like this hair is just super silky, super light. Even my boyfriend mentioned when he saw it earlier, like, oh, that hair looks really soft. So I really love it. I washed it and everything like that. When people say like no shedding at all, all hair sheds. Like, you can do what you need to, but it's hair. It's gonna shed. If you have 1 or 2 strands, that's nothing weird. So I had like minimal shedding, which I feel like is so cliche, but I really just haven't had a ton of shedding or anything from it. Of course, when you pluck, you're gonna have some loose hairs, so that's not anything to be like worried about. But the lace, I really didn't even need to tint because the lace already matched my scalp color pretty well. I did use MAC Blunt Blush in my part. It's just like a matte brown. So this is Blunt, a MAC blush, but it's like a really nice neutral brown. It's really good for using on your frontals or your closures and your parts, because sometimes I'll use other powders and they're too warm, so you get like that weird orangey thing. But this color works even if I don't have makeup on. It still looks good. But I really love the hair, so I'll definitely do an update. For now, I think the Glam Box is a super cute idea. The first time I just ordered the hair individually, but to me, I think it's like $250 for you to get a closure and 3 bundles, which is ridiculous. And even their prices for like constructing wigs and everything like that is super low. So I don't understand like why you wouldn't buy them, or I don't understand, I guess, what is not to love. I follow them on Instagram and I see like coupon codes or sales pretty often. So if when I post this there is a coupon code or a discount available, I'll be sure to put that in the description box. So this is a 20-inch. I try to go a little bit shorter than I normally go, just to get something a little bit more realistic. But I think it looks really good and I really like it. So I'm definitely excited to kind of have this be like my spring summer go-to wig because she's doing what I wanted to do. Yeah, I bought the hair, I bought the Glam Box. I wasn't really sure like what the deal was with it, but I was just so pleased and I'm so happy with how the frontal came out that I feel like I just need to do kind of like an update review on what I did. I don't even know how long ago it was now, 6 months ago or whatever the first video was. So here we are. I will give you updates. If you follow me on Instagram at Malibu Darby, I'm sure I'll have plenty of pictures of the hair. If you have any questions on frontals or if you're scared to try frontals and you just want to kind of know how I've liked them so far, I've been doing frontals since the new year. 2017 I did sew-ins. 2018 I said I'll probably disclosures. So I've been kind of experimenting with them. I might do a video on applying my frontals. I want to get a little more comfortable first, but yeah, that's really it. I wanted to do just a cute short video on the Pure Glam Virgin Hair Glam Box. It's an awesome deal and this hair is bomb. So I'm gonna go curl it some more, put some more body in it, and I will see you guys in the next video.